Ministry of Health and Family Welfare gi thosil makhada laibak sing thungna Prime Minister na launch tawbikiba Swasnari Shasak Paribar Abhiyan Noney Jila gi oina ngarang jila asigi Deputy Commissioner Dr. Sharat Chandra Aroju na Noney PIC da launch tawbikre thoram aduda jila asigi Chief Medical Officer Dr. Ajin Maringmai amasung atai healthcare workers singsu saruk yaki thoram adugi saruk ama oina DC na TB patients singda nutrition kit singsu yentopiki loinana stall hangdokliba mafam singdasu koina satuna yengsinki thoram aduda wangaladuna DC na hai health campaign ase October gi tang ani fawba mafam kayada health camp sing pangthokani maram aduna miyam thokpiduna haksel gi hiramda kanaba lawiu haina appeal tawraduna mahangna asumna hai
Today's program, First Nari Sashakt Parivar. I request all the women, all the children in the district to please visit your nearest health center and kindly avail the dedicated services which I have just talked about during this campaign period. Similarly, my request to the medical team also to kindly publicize the activity as to on which day, at which health camp is going to be held so that public are informed in advance.
Nupi angang singbo haksang fana tingjang kaijang dana lainabagi pandamda launch tawbikiba nationwide health campaign asi jila asigi mafam tarada pangthokani mafam sing adudi PIC Noney, ISWC Dolang, ISWC Thangal, ISWC Awangkhul, ISWC Rangkhung, PIC Hauchong, CIC Nungba, PIC Khopum, ISWC Nunglaiban, ISWC Luwanglongni amasung aroiba numit October gi tang ani Gandhi Jayanti numitta Noney PIC da campaign asi loisingani health camp asigi manungda hypertension, diabetes, oral mental health checkup, TB laina khangdokpa, anemia laina khangdokpa, mironbi nupi singda antenatal care checkup pibiba, immunization tobiba, hemoglobin level check tobiba yauna, nutrition gi matangda counseling pibiba, amasung nupi singi damakta menstrual hygiene gi matangda awareness pibiba yauri. PMJ ava enrollment tobiba amasung card-sing beneficiary singda yenthok pibena singba campaign asigi manungda yauri. District Mental Health Society amasung District Health Society Noney na punna sinduna World Suicide Prevention Day September gi tang 3 lungmai part 3 da leba 10 Maker Academy da pangthokki thoram aduda Dr. Ajin Maringmai CMO Noney District Nodal Officer Mental Health Dr. Kasungai Liu Gonmai yauna atai psychiatrist singna tinkiba mahairoi singda wa ngangbiki Jila asigi nungaiba pau ama haredi haukiba September gi tang 3 da Prime Minister Narendra Modi na virtual gi khuthang da New Market Longmai da sanga khiba aduni haibatai amasung Noney jila fauduna chaliba National Highway 37 Imphal Jiribam lambi gi irang turel mathakta lupa crore nifumapan hena changna shaba 4 lane RCC bridge sanga khiba aduna miyam gi poningda harauba poknari Sangha khiba thoram adu webcast tawduna jila asigi Deputy Commissioner yauna atai dialo singsu saruk yaki District Industry Center Noney amasung Directorate of Trade, Commerce and Industry na punna sinduna haukiba September gi tang amada udem registration kam awareness program ama Lungmai Bazar gi community hall da pangthokki Rising and Accelerating MSME Performance RAM Scheme gi makhada pangthokkiba thoram aduda entrepreneur humpu henbana udem register tawki thoram aduda Lungmai gi STO Aisel Christian Home Lungmai Village Authority gi Chairman Kasagai Gangmai amasung Noney DIC gi General Manager TS Abung Thomas na mathang sidna Chief Guest of Honor amasung Functional President oina saruk yaki